So how do you handle repetitive tasks without losing focus? Again, as a data entry professional, so our task is repetitive. How are you going to handle repetitive tasks?
I handle that every day so that I think there's no room for errors if you're doing it always, or you're always hindi ako naka-ready dun sa
Okay, so dito ma'am, tama yung sabi mo, di ba? So, you always do it every day and then there's no room for error. Pwede din po ma'am na, excuse me, pwede din po na gumamit ka ng by batch, ganun po. Or pwede po yung Pomodoro technique, like for example, inuuna mo yung pinaka-single task, tinatapos mo muna, tapos next na naman task, tinatapos mo na naman, hanggang sa matapos mo lahat ng task na yon. So, pwedeng ganun din po, ha? Yung pwede natin. So, banggitin mo lang, batching ba, by batch ba, or Pomodoro technique. Yung pasunod yung ginagawa mo lang. And you just make sure that every day is efficient, accurate, yung mga ginagawa mo kay client as a data entry.